Good morning, guys. Left this one printing overnight. Lots of tree support layers there, or structures. Printed it on end, so the layers are going across, which means we should have more strength stopping it splitting that way, but it might break vertically. This piece printed on its side like that, so the strength is that way. So that looks okay. Yeah, that's going to be fun, getting all the support structure out of the way. I think we got some up in the inside there as well. I forgot about that. Oh no, that's alright, yeah, because we can get rid of it from this side. Yeah, complicated. But at least it printed. The previous one died halfway through. Eight hours 44 minutes, and that's on standard quality. I did want to print it on high quality, but that would have taken 14 hours. Anyway, that looks good. That's a bit disappointing. This episode's going to be a bit shorter than intended. There'll have to be a part 4 now. This is part 3. What we have here, we've got this bit that this battery slides into, but unfortunately it's not sliding on far enough. Now, I thought I'd save myself a bit of time. I actually downloaded a file off Thingiverse. I must have downloaded the wrong one. And it was for a little battery, or a Parkside battery. But yeah, it doesn't fit with that battery. So yeah, I must have got that wrong. Anyway, I had to modify it to link it to my half of the 3D printing there. But yeah, it simply doesn't fit right. So although this looks quite good, it's sort of all in place. Although, as I said, I'd have rather that battery was further forwards, because that doesn't look like it's going to balance right there. But yeah, that's frustrating, because that's quite a long print. I was quite pleased with it because all the support layers came off nicely. And so I got my latch mechanism there now, which I've simplified. That's all it is. It's that bit. And I've got a bit of bicycle spoke going through there as a hinge. That fits nicely now. You have to push it in. And there we are. That's latched in place. That's not going anywhere. But I'm going to have to modify this again to get the battery to fit properly. Yeah, went wrong there somewhere. I used a hot knife to adjust it, and it does now fit. So I've put those adjustments into the next version, and we'll print it off.
So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.